What's the coolest thing about a smartwatch? Probably the ability to change its face. But what if you don't really like those provided? Well, I believe everyone deserves a great watch face. Hi guys, and how you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to load custom watch faces on your Huawei GT2. Before we start, if you're using an iPhone, you can't add any new watch faces, but you can do a side it and borrow an Android device, get the watch faces you want and pair the watch back to your phone. With that out of the way, let's get to it. The first thing you need to do is download the files in the description below. After downloads are complete, install Tai Chi and multiple watch faces apps. Then install the Health and HMS apps, but instead of using package installer, use Tai Chi. After everything is installed, click the blue circle, then click on Manage Modules. Select multiple faces and go back. Now open Health, log in and pair your device. Go to Watch Faces and click the three dots located in the top right corner and select Upload Watch Faces. Now just select the watch face you have downloaded and press Install. And your new watch face is ready to be used. If you get this error, simply change the location of the files and it will work. If you don't see your internal storage, just click on the three dots and select Show Internal Storage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I will answer all of them. That's all from me, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Oh, wait, full review of the watch coming soon, so subscribe, you don't want to miss it. See ya!